Welcome to Easy Mount Reloading Stations. Securely and easily mount any press with rigid T-slot mounting. No measuring, no drilling.
With this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your Easy Mount reloading station. Before we go into assembly, I just want to mention what these parts are. We can start back here in the back with the column. We move up, the unit comes with two shelves. We've got 3 legs, and then we've got 3 T-slotted rails that go with the Easy Mount system. We've got a couple of trays, and then we've got the hardware laid out right there. That the levelers will come pre-assembled, so you want to turn them to where they're facing upward. We'll take a 5/16 bolt with the washer on it, and we're just going to slide it through, and we're going to take a washer and a nut and put it on the back side. We're going to hand tighten it because we want to adjust it a little bit later. We're going to do it again, just finger tight. Next piece of assembly is to take the column. On one end has 4 holes. That's going to be the end that will set on top of your legs. The other end has the slots, 2 holes. That'll be the top side. So we're going to take this right now and put the top down. We want the short side of the plate to the front. So then I can take my legs and just set it right on top of the plate. We're going to line the holes up here a little bit. Again, take a 5/16 bolt with the washer on it. We're going to come from the bottom up. Take a 5/16 washer and a nut, and we're just going to hand tighten it. We're going to do it again. Final bolt. Now we've got the feet and the column assembled, and now we can proceed to tighten all this, and that will level everything out. If you tighten the 4 on top, that'll bring your base plate all up snug first, and now we can tighten our 2 on the sides. Done. Next step is going to be to mount our slotted T-rails up on top to get ready to mount your pros. And to get your T-rails ready to mount here, you just take one of the end cap screws and just unscrew it. These only need to be hand tight. Should never have to use a wrench on them. We'll take our slotted nuts with our studs, and we'll slide 2 in there. Like so. And then we'll just take and flip it over here where it goes into your slots. Do that. We can take a nut and washer, put underneath here. Okay, we want to do this 2 more times. Okay, we've got our 3 rails mounted on the stand. We've taken 2 5/16 T slotted nuts, put them in the front. You can use quarter, it doesn't matter. Just a demonstration, I'm going to put the 5/16 in the front. We're going to go with some quarters in the back. Now with the combinations of the T-nuts and the slide back and forth this way, this will accommodate any mounting configuration. Okay, we'll start here with just a basic reloading station shown here. As we scan over and move here, showing another reloading station with a powder measure on it, with a press mounted and a light. We also have the tray mounted on here. Both of these trays are adjustable. You just loosen them up. They'll slide side to side. Tighten them back where you want them. We also have the bins that are mounted on the back here, both sides if you want them. We're moving over to the next one. Another reloader mounted here with the trays here. Again, you can take and set it up however you want. As you can see, it's unlimited what you can mount to these stations.